it's Mathea Ford with Renal Diet Headquarters and Nick and E's Kitchen, and today I want to talk to you about the latest spice in the store called Grandma's Loaf and More Seasoning. And this Loaf and More seasons one packet, seasons 1 pound of a ground meat, ground turkey, ground chicken, ground beef, any type of meat that you want to mix it into, you can use it for. It has garlic, mustard seeds, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, dehydrated tomato granules, black pepper, lemon peel, parsley, green onions, coriander, marjoram, and oregano. So it's got a great mix of different spices. But one of the things I want to tell you about this is that it's got a small amount of sodium in the packet. Now usually we come out with salt-free products, but it's got a small amount of sodium. It has 15 milligrams per packet, and that's because of the dehydrated tomato granules. But what you're gonna love about this is how it really seasons ground beef or ground turkey, ground meat with a lot of flavor. You won't have the salt, and you will have a delicious meal that you can eat that is healthy for your kidney disease, cardiac disease, diabetes. And the recipe that you just watched is a perfect example of how it can be used in ground meat and to make other products besides just meatloaf. So we hope you love this seasoning. Head on over to nickandeskitchen.com to get your bags of seasoning mix, and have a great day.